People wey dey use Sapele Road and surrounding areas for Benin City go soon dey happy as Governor Okpebholo don start repair work for old Sapele Road and nearby roads to reduce traffic wahala. As e go check the road work wey dem dey do, the governor come talk say im go use Edo money wella with clear and honest management to better the people lives. Places wey e visit na Ewuhu, Ogege, Old Sapele Road, Catholic Charismatic Way, Upper Ekenwa Road and Ugbiyoko. Oga Okpebholo talk say belle sweet am wella with how the work dey go and come salute Presido Bola Tinubu for increasing money wey dey come from federal level. E talk say Edo don dey enjoy the benefit already. E come also explain say once they finish the road, e go help shift traffic from main roads, reduce heavy motor movement and give drivers better option to reach where dem dey go. Oga Governor Costi talk say all this work na for Edo people benefit and come ask say wetin former Governor Obaseki use im own federal allocation do since people dey see the work wey im own government dey do. The governor come beg all Edo people to join hands together to develop the state, say na our responsibility and nobody go do am for us.
And the money we are spending is for Edo people. The president has made it very simple for us. Our allocation has increased. Why? Because he took a bold step to remove the fuel subsidy. That is it. And that is the magic. And even when Obaseki was there, he was giving the same amount of money. Well, now we are working with our own. That is the difference. Edo belongs to all of us. And we don't have any other person who can develop our state if we don't do it. And from here, I'm an Edo person. So if I don't do it, who else will do it?
One of the engineers, Ademola Adekunle, come also chook mouth on top how far the work don go, why people wey dey the area cut through salute to Governor Okpebholo for the better work in they do.
The project along this Old Sapele Road, we have 6.11 kilometers, and along Ogege Road, we have almost 1 kilometer there. So we are doing the underground canal, then we are extending into the Ogege Road to collect the runoff from there, then discharge it to the discharge point.
So what is the name of this road?
The name of this road is Old Sapele Road.
When is it likely to be completed?
Better work. If not be governor, my brother, this the way water been want do us before, we for run for here. We thank governor the good work we do for us and may continue to do them. May not listen to what people they talk. I don't tell more than 35 years ago, safe. No hope. Now hope can't do so. So now what would they find? Now this governor can't do for us.
Na better work na governor dey do for us and we happy well for this work. E don tey when we dey expect this kind thing for this area. May erosion no come carry us for inside house. We thank the governor well for the good work. Na God go bless am. Na governor wey dey talk, e dey do and e dey show.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojeseli, TMC News.